My name is Dolores Cook, and I'm going to teach you how to grow an avocado tree. I spend a lot of time working, going to school, but in my spare time I am an amateur horticulturist. So let's get started. You take a ripened avocado. This is called a Hass avocado, H-A-A-S. Make sure it's ripened. You gently scrape it on its way all the way through. And then gently twist it. Okay. Pick up the peel. There. Now I'm going to mark this. I want to make sure all the avocado is off. We're going to gently toss it. And you want to pat it down so it gets squeezed. Okay? Now this is pretty easy to do. I just tried it one day after eating an avocado that I wanted to try it apparently. So this is it. Gently scrape this down. Slowly pull your tree together. Squeeze it all the way together. And you want to use spring water, because if you use regular tap water, it sometimes leaves a white crust from the hard water. So make sure you use spring. You have to get that all dry. Now you're going to repeat this every few days, because you want to make sure that it is immersed in the water. Okay? So, now that that's done, all you need to do is be patient. Patient, patient, patient. You're going to think that it's not going to grow, but wait about 6 weeks and it'll sprout. But you just don't want it to hurt. Right. Yeah, right. Okay, so here's the root system. Okay? There's that guy. Now, how you can tell it's going to sprout is this will turn pink and green and it will crack. Don't worry about this, it's just common. Okay? Here's the root. Okay? Now, this is about 6 weeks. You can let it grow a little bit longer if you'd like. But I'm going to stop it. Now, to show you how to peel. Really gently. I do want to give you some avocado tips. Avocado is native to Mexico and South America. It dates back to the year 1000 BC. Is an avocado a vegetable or a fruit?
Fruit.
Fruit. Peel. Peel the top. Getting that in my hand. Yeah, that's it. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and pull this out, turn it down. You need to leave a little hole in the root. You don't want the seedlings to burst into the soil. What we're going to do is just scoop out a little bit, gently enough for the roots to go in. Just pat it down very gently. It's very delicate. And then just gently put the soil around it. You don't want to cover it all the way up, okay? And squeeze out your little toothpick. Put it in the dirt now. Now, it takes from the time we start this to the time we plant it, it'll take 3 to 4 years for it to produce fruit. Okay? The tree also grows 20 to 40 feet tall, which is pretty high, but if you don't want it that high, you can prune it and it'll stay at about 20 feet. Now, I got a surprise for you guys. This is my first avocado tree.
Wow.
All right.
This is 9 months.
Wow.
Okay? So I'm going to leave it here in this container for probably another 9 months. And then, depending on how it goes, I will plant it outside. It really likes to be grown inside when it's young like this. I left it outside and I burnt the leaf. See? So you don't really want to put it in direct sunlight. I'm going to leave it here and let it grow for another 9 months. Make sure you water it every day. If it starts to turn yellow, that means you're watering it too much. So what you're going to do is just stop watering it and just give it a few days, and then you'll be okay. The nutritional effects on an avocado: the avocado is only 5 grams of fat. It contains no cholesterol and no sodium. It also is it has 60% more potassium than a banana. And it is high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. So in conclusion, I hope you enjoyed my presentation on how to grow an avocado tree. And I hope that all of you guys will try this at home. It's quite interesting to see that you have grown something with your own hands. Thank you very much.
All right.